Hi friends, my name is Nandita. I am from Andhra Pradesh.
Now let us discuss about phylum Coelenterata or Cnidaria. The phylum Coelenterata is also known as phylum Cnidaria, and therefore the study of this organism is called as cnidology. There are about 9,000 species of cnidarians. The name Cnidaria, cnid means little, ting means cells, and it is derived from stinging cell cnidoblast present on the ectoderm of tentacles of the body of these animals. The term Coelenteratus was introduced by Berthold Hatzek in 1888. These are included into three phyla: Spongeria, Cnidaria, and Centenophora. Now let us discuss the general features of Coelenterata. Some of the general features of Coelenterata are as below. Habitats of this phylum are cnidarians are exclusively marine forms, but few of them are freshwater form, like example Hydra. They are either sedentary or free swimming forms. They have tissue grade organization, and Coelenterators are triploblastic. The layers of body wall contain several types of cells such as interstitial cells, sensory cells, nerve cells, epitheliomuscular cells, stinging cells, cnidioblast, etc. The mouth is surrounded by many thin, long, cylinder halo structures called tentacles. Their function is to paralyze and capture the prey, attachment, defense, and offense. A cylindron or gastrovascular cavity is present, which is blunt at one end and opens as mouth or hypostome at other end. Mouth is used both for ingestion and egestion. In cylindron or gastrovascular cavity, both intracellular and extracellular digestion occurs. A horny or calcareous skeleton as well as endoskeleton is present in many cases. The Coelenterata with the exoskeleton of calcium carbonate are called corals. Nerve system is in this form of a nerve net, that is, the unipolar neurons are loosely arranged in the body wall. Respiration and gases exchanges and excretion occurs directly as all the cells are in direct contact with water. Sensory cells occurs in the body wall such as statocyst for balancing and ocelli for photosensitivity. Coelenterate reproduce both by asexual and sexual method. In many cnidarians, the plops usually reproduce asexually by budding, gives rise to a medusa. The medusae bear gonads or sex organs and reproduce sexually to form polyps. Cnidarians are mainly of two types of individual, that is polyps cup-shaped and medusa umbrella-shaped. Polyp is sessile cylindrical structure with mouth and tentacles facing towards, example Hydra. Medusa is free swimming zooid with mouth and tentacles facing downwards, examples Aurularia or jellyfish. Medusae may form polyps after sexual reproduction, while polyps form medusae through vegetative budding. Many variations occur in zooid forms. This phenomena is called polymorphism, which helps in division of labor. Fertilization may be external or internal. The cnidarians complete their life cycle through two phases, that is, asexual reproduction polyp phase and sexual reproduction through medusa phase. Those cnidarians which exist in both forms exhibit alternation of generations, which is called as metagenesis. Advantages over sponges are the cnidarians or cylinderatus exhibit advancement of over sponges as this possesses a tissue level of organization of the body with well defined layer of cells and a digestive cavity. Now let us discuss the classification of Coelenterata. First let us discuss about class Hydrozoa. Hydrozoa is a solid and fresh water or mostly colonial and marine organisms. They exhibit tetramerous and polymerous radical symmetry. Body wall consists of an outer ectoderm and inner endoderm separated by a mesoglea. Gastrovascular cavity without stomodium, septa and nematocyst bearing gastric filaments, skeleton and honey structures is honey perisac in some forms. They exhibit polymorphism. Many hydrozoa exhibit alternation of generation. Reproduction products of cells are usually ectodermal in origin and discharged externally. Slivage is holoblastic, embryo-ciliated planula. Examples of this are Hydra, Tubularia, Bougainvillea, Hydractinia, Eudendrium, Renaria, Obilaria, Lumularia. Physalia is commonly known as Prostugus, man of war. Arularia is commonly known as jellyfish. Now let us discuss class 2 Scyphozoa. Class Scyphozoa includes large jellyfishes or true medusae. They are exclusively marine. Medusae are large, bell or umbrella shaped and without true velum. Marginal sense organs are tentaculocytes. Polypoid generation is absent or represented by small plock. Gastrovascular system is without stomodium with gastric filaments. Mesoglea is usually cellular. Gonads are endodermal and the sex cells are discharged into stomach. Example Lucernaria and Haliclitus. Now let us discuss about class Anthozoa. These are solid or colonial, exclusively marine forms of organisms. They are exclusively polypoid. Medusoid stage is altogether absent. Body is cylindrical with hexamerous, octomerous and polymerous, biradial and radiobilateral symmetry. The stomodium is often provided with one or more ciliated grooves. The cyprinoglyphs gastrovascular cavity is divided into compartments by complete or incomplete septa or mesenteries. Mesenteries bear nematocytes at their free edges. Mesogola contains fibers, connective tissue. Now let us discuss about subclass Aslanoria or Octocorallia. These are colonial marine forms. Polyps are long and short cylinders. Polyps always bear 8 pinnate halotentacles. 8 complete mesenteries are present. Single ventricle cyprinoglyph is present. Endoskeleton is product of mesogal cells. Polyps are dimorphic in some forms. Examples Tubifora, Aslionium, Hexenia, Helipora, Gorgonium, Corallium, etc. Tubipora is commonly known as orange pipe coral. Now let us discuss about the subclass 2 Zoantheria. Organisms are solitary or colonial marine forms. Tentacles are simple, rarely branched, hollow cone shaped, and mesenteries are numerous, arranged in the multiple of 5 or 6. 2 cyprinoglyphs are commonly present. Endoskeleton, when present, is calcareous, is derived from ectoderm. Polyps are usually monomorphic. Examples of this subclass are Acetinia, Metridium, Adamsia, Adverticia, Asterecia, Fungia. Adamsia is commonly known as sea anemone. Thank you.